Welcome to my Healthcare Dental YouTube channel. I'm your host, Dr. NG. Today we're talking about RPD, which is removable partial denture. When patients are actually having some teeth or tooth that are missing, one of the options is actually having a removable denture. There's some advantages and disadvantages of having a denture. Advantages is that you're actually not hurting any of the tooth beside it to do so, and you don't have to go through any surgery to do the denture either. But some of the very bad cons that you actually have with the denture is that they can get loose and you're actually hooking on to the teeth beside the missing spot, so that you can actually make the other teeth loose that way too. Plus you have to take it in and out, and sometimes it gets kind of loose and nobody ever likes it. It's like having a fake leg, so nobody ever likes that. So what happened is, when you actually, some people when they actually have the dentures, they don't usually get used to it. Even after months or years of wearing it, it's still a nuisance to them. So most patients don't go with this option. However, it is still an option for you. Another, but it is actually filling the space in. The patients can also eat as well, pretty well with it. But sometimes when you kiss somebody, it ends up staying in their mouth, so that's not a good thing. Some of the other cons about removable partial denture is that when you're actually eating, the denture can get loose and end up you chewing your own tongue, for example, or actually not being able to chew properly. And a lot of times the food impaction as well, that food can get impacted underneath the partial dentures or the denture itself. So that creates a lot of problem with hygiene, and creates a lot of problem with also being able to eat properly. And with the partial dentures, that way your quality of life actually diminishes quite a bit, because if you can't eat properly, I don't know about you, but I love to eat all the time. So if you cannot eat properly and you can't chew your food properly, number one thing is your health is going to deteriorate, and number two is how can you even really enjoy life that well? So there's a lot of other options that we can look at, but if patients do insist of placing partial dentures, we can also do that for you too. So if you have missing teeth or tooth, please give us a call to book an appointment, and we can discuss all the options for you, and we will pick the best treatment options for you. Thank you for watching today. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel.